So this is the brand new Propel X-Wing Starfighter. So this is the first ever laser battling high-performance Star Wars drones. The blades are underneath. Now we have filed a patent on this. This is called reverse propulsion. The aesthetics keeps the drone looking beautiful whilst maintaining the high performance, the high speed manoeuvres.